Hey guys, I wanted to show another album that I have made in the last couple of weeks. I used the Echo Park paper, America the Beautiful. I had ordered this from like a cherry on top before, like back in May, and I didn't get it until after the 4th of July, so that kind of was a bummer. I made this mini album with it. Let me turn off the autofocus because apparently that's jacking this up. So this album is 8.5 by 8.5. The pages are very simple. All I did was make the typical pocket page, and then this is 11 inches, so I just scored it at 8 inches and made the page that way. Like I said, it's just a very simple, I'm trying to get my mojo back, and then I just cut little flaps for the cut aparts that came in the paper collection, and that's how I determined what size these flaps were. I did decorate my tags on the inside with the scraps as I usually do. Waste not, want not, right? This paper collection did come with stickers, but I did buy the Paper House America stickers, which is what these glittery ones on the front are. So I'll just quickly run through the pages. So they all have this flap, but then each page might have a 4 1/4 by 6 1/4 flap, or a 4 1/4 by 4 1/4, and this one's 3 1/4 by 2 1/4. It's very simple, but if you would like me to do a tutorial, I can do that. Just let me know in the comments below, and I can do a tutorial on that for you. I love these poppies. Here's some of the stickers from the collection, various places, and that's it. It's just really a simple album that anybody can do, and it fits 4x6 photos very well. Again, I don't know what I'll use it for, but this is the America album. So again, if you would like to see a tutorial, leave a comment down below and I'll be happy to make one. Thanks guys. Bye.